feeling buried under a mountain of to-dos every single day? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock peak productivity by using Asana to plan your daily tasks. It's easier than you think. First, if you don't have one already, create a free Asana account and familiarize yourself with the workspace. Next, create a new project specifically for your daily tasks. Name it something simple like Daily Tasks or Today's Focus. Click the plus button on the left sidebar and select Blank Project. Choose a list layout for a straightforward view. Now for the fun part, adding your tasks. Click the Add Task button and type in everything you need to accomplish today. Be specific instead of work on project. Try Draft Introduction for project proposal. Click on each task to open its details. Here, you can set a due date, ideally today, add a description for more clarity, and even assign it to yourself. Prioritize like a pro. Drag and drop your tasks to arrange them in order of importance. What needs to be done first, put it at the top. Break your day into manageable chunks using sections. Add sections like morning, afternoon, and evening to group similar tasks. As you complete each task, simply check the box next to it. This gives you a visual representation of your progress and a satisfying sense of accomplishment. For time-sensitive tasks, consider using the calendar view to see how your day is structured. And that's it. With Asana, you can transform your daily planning from a headache into a streamlined process. So embrace the power of organized productivity and conquer your day.